Good evening children and welcome to this class. Children, you must have seen different kind of animal around you. You have seen dogs, you have seen cats, cows, buffaloes, and have you observed that these animals are different in sizes, shapes, colors. In fact, they are having different eating habits. So today we are going to learn more about these animals. So our today's topic is animals around us. Animals around us. Plants and animals are living things, but they are different from each other in many ways. All animals cannot make their own food. They are totally dependent on other plants and animals. Different animals have different eating habits. So now we are going to learn about three different kinds of animals, that are herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Herbivores. Children, animals that eat only plants, fruits and vegetables are known as herbivores. They only eat plants, fruits and vegetables. They are called herbivores. For example, cows, buffaloes, goats, these animals are herbivores because they only eat plants, fruits and vegetables. Next are carnivores. Animals that eat the flesh of other animals are known as carnivores. For example, lion, tiger, fox, these are the animals which are known as carnivores because they eat the flesh of other animals. Children, there are other animals like crow, bear, ostrich which eat plants as well as the flesh of other animals. So animals that eat plants as well as the flesh of other animals are known as omnivores. Human beings can also eat both plants as well as the flesh of other animals. So again children, the animals which can eat both plants as well as the flesh of other animals are known as omnivores. So children, now we are going to learn how animals eat. Different animals have different kinds of teeth. The shape of the teeth depends upon the food they eat. So now let's learn what kind of teeth herbivores have. Children, herbivores have flat and broad front teeth. They are having flat and broad front teeth to bite off leaves and grass. Their strong back teeth help them to chew the food well. So herbivores have flat, broad front teeth and they are having strong back teeth which help them to chew the food well. Children, animals like cows and buffaloes swallow their food after chewing it once. Later, they bring it back into their mouth and chew it for hours. This is called chewing the. Other herbivores like rabbit, rats and squirrels have sharp front teeth with which they bite the food. So some herbivores have sharp front teeth. Now let's learn about carnivores. They have very sharp pointed front teeth. They are having very sharp pointed front teeth to tear the flesh. Their back teeth are broad and flat and their jaw is very strong. Animals like snakes do not have chewing teeth. They just swallow the food whole. They do not have chewing teeth. Now let's learn about insects. Insects have a long thin tube attached to their mouth. This tube acts as a straw to suck the food into their mouth. So insects have a long thin tube attached to their mouth. Next, elephant. The trunk of an elephant helps it to break off branches and leaves and push them into its mouth. Dogs and cats. They use their tongue to lap up water and milk. So dogs and cats use their tongue to lap up water and milk. Frog. A frog has a long sticky tongue for catching its prey. So a frog has a long sticky tongue for catching its prey. Children, do you know? Cows do not have upper front teeth. Cows do not have upper front teeth. There is a thick pad of skin in place of teeth. Children, so that's all for today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.